This is a cupcake song. You might have heard the chipmunk song. Well, this is a cupcake song, not the chipmunk song. Okay, here we go. I threw some cupcakes in the well. Don't ask me why, I'll never tell. I was really close, I just fell and then I saved the day. I begged, I borrowed, I stole. I got this bloody rake. It even has a mole. I found this bonnet in my grandma's bedroom. She calls them undies. I just think it's a big bonnet. She has a big butt. I don't think these are her undies. Who knows? Maybe. These are my best friend shorts. They're way too big on me. I think I am this skinny. I have the Samantha doll. She's an oldie. I have this look like. Shouldn't match me. I found this shirt. It is not mine. It's scented. Why is it up here? I don't get it. I found this red pen. It's totally not mine. I found it fell. I should pick up crap. Oh my gosh, there's paint. I like Angry Birds. They are my babies. I am angry. Oh my gosh, and it's so crazy. I found this mirror for my baby.
Get on with the video.
This is my cousin, she's Norm. It's got a big storm. I found this bacteria connected to my butt. I found this baby. Watch out! I got a cut one's head off.
How could you?
Because Norman found this padlock. Let's make some ginger. I'm in Texas. I'm an invisible skeleton. Okay! When can I get one? Oh my gosh! I just found one. It's such a layer. Oh, that's a hobby. But the phone's on Lilo. I found you on there. He was hiding in the phone. I'm a flower. I like this music. It matches. No.
So, what's your problem here?
I'm gonna put on this. And I will show. Hey, I just heard a knock. On the door. I'm gonna answer.
And no one's there?
It's Richard and Norm. Richard's my boyfriend. He's half like this. He is in videos. Like, call me maybe. I know she wants me. And moving like Richard. I know she wants me. We moving like Richard. And then he goes like, hey, I know she wants me. She wants me. I'm better than Rolanda, Richard. And your unibrow is so sharpy. I can tell. So is Rolanda's. And what's up with her hair? I'm like so much better. Yeah.